Hello everyone, so today we will start working on our bottom part. So I want to change the Merry Christmas these letters. There probably is something like a Chrome, and try to change texture on this brown part, or this base, let's say, shape. So okay, let's try to do that. So first of all, probably I will select the Merry Christmas, assign new material, blend. Great. Let's rename it. Probably I will move it to the black. From color perspective, yeah. And as you can see, it's looking already great. Okay, so let's move to the base. Let's open Hypershade. I'll clean it up. And to be honest, I want to use the wood 3D texture. However, it doesn't work on at least on this version. And I don't know, it's some kind of bug. Probably it's from the legacy textures, and it's not updated properly. And for me, at least, it doesn't work. I've tried in a lot of ways to apply it, but it's really crappy. So I don't know, maybe I will use a marble. Maybe we can create a stone, let's say, texture, or granite texture. Okay, so let's go for a marble. We didn't try this material. I didn't show this material to you. So let's try to work with that one right now. Okay, so let's select the platform. As you can see, this material is for a platform. Great, so let's expand it. Expand the platform, add the marble material. Great, whoops. And yeah, just assign it out color of the marble to the color of the platform. And as you can see right away, just change it the material from brown to white and red. Okay, so I will select that marble material. I will close it down the Hypershade, and we'll try to adjust it from here. Create something what will fit our this cartoonist scene. However, as you can see, the marble is looking pretty realistic. So okay, probably I will go, instead of white, I will go to the black color. For a vein color, I will select the our snow at the top. Yeah, just probably I will a little bit of values, something like that, looking great. Vein with self-explanatory, as you can see. Yep. Now probably I will leave it to 0.03. Diffusion. The diffusion can diffuse the color of these veins. Probably will leave it to 0.2. Contrast. And the contrast is let's show it what the contrast do. I will assign a little bit lighter material just for right now. As you can see, when we using contrast, like adding mid-tone on the diffusion, and the contrast is just bringing them out. Yep. Okay, maybe let's play the ratio to be 0.9. Oops, it's too much. 8.6, 0.5, 25, 0.5, okay. No. 0.7 was the perfect one, probably. Okay, so in general, I like the colors. I don't know about these ornaments. Do I like them or not? However, we can try to play a bit with the specular colors and check it out if it will be working for us. Let's see. Okie dokie. Okay. So we look at that. 300, 500. Oh, let us select our bank closer to the 0.1. It will go to 0.1 as well. We can remove that sensitivity. And probably I will go even further. 0.025. Okay, and basically right now we can play a bit of a wow still, as I want to have probably more of the bluish lines, let's say. I don't know, maybe something like that.